Aldo here. Sorry I've been away the past few days. Been recovering from the sickness and kind of turned into a sinus infection a little bit. Kind of interesting. Kind of when you think you're fully over it, it just gets worse. It's interesting with this sickness. Don't want to say anything more for YouTube, but yeah, it feels different than anything I've ever really experienced. So yeah. But anyway, without further ado, wow, Bitcoin hitting into this spiral line right now. There could be a double top pattern for the analysis on the 4 hour. If you went around here last night, I hadn't been trading for a while for the past few days, just took a break. Got stopped out in profit for my short position. Um, but I'm still long. Been writing that up. Added a little bit to it yesterday, and just took some profits like right before this video as we hit this spiral line right here. So I mean, the spiral lines have been really nice. These are great lines of support and resistance. I started doing this one because yeah, I haven't had much time since I've been sick to draw like or do new lines of support or resistance every couple of days like I used to do. So just easier just to have the spiral lines, and these work. I mean, these are you could be definitely profitable with these. I was kind of skeptical of it in the beginning, but no, these work. You could be completely fine. I probably could be almost as profitable as I am with traditional lines of support and resistance with these. They're not too good for scalp trading, but I mean, swing trading, day trading, you'll be fine. So yeah, basically what I said the other day is if we cross over, get the VWAP over here, this is a strong, look, just look at how strong this is. VWAP coming up, crossing into the green on this money flow. I mean, what are the, if you waited for everything to confirm, I mean, right here, probably, yeah. Say you came in, worst case scenario, you got in right there, 12% gain. I mean, 10x leverage, 120%. I mean, you're doing well. Like it's hard to be losing money right now with Market Cipher. Very hard. And obviously take some profits along the way with the spiral lines, hedge your bets, set stop loss to entry point. That's what I always do. Um, so, I mean, what's going to happen now? Well, let's see. Um, 4 hour, we looked at it briefly. VWAP starting to come down. This could be a double top pattern. I mean, in all likelihood, after you come up this much, you will reverse course. I mean, that. So it wouldn't be too out of the question. Something like this maybe. Maybe down here, 40 bounce off of 40K because I feel like a lot of people are starting to FOMO back into it. We'll talk about altcoins in a little bit. I put some money back into altcoins. I haven't been in altcoins really much at all, except for Ethereum since the big crash. I got out of them literally like the night before it crashed down to a 30K originally in May. In May, took a lot of profits there, so that was pretty good on my part. It was that night, like right when it broke below like 40K, I knew it was really going down Bitcoin, so I just took a ton of profits out of altcoins at the last moment, really. So yeah, we'll talk about that. Let's go on shorter time frames. If you're not in a trade right now, I mean, some people probably would be looking to short, and it may not be the worst idea right now. So you have a clear divergence on the 15, lagging because of the spiral lines, but that's all right. Clear divergence on the 15. Let's not spend too much time there. Lagging. Well, the hourly, I mean, that still looks okay. If you are going down. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. I don't know if I would be very confident with the short. Maybe wait till this VWAP crosses over, my main strategy, and see how it looks on the lower time frames before this gets confirmed. Still pointing up, so I'm just letting my long ride. Took some profits there. That's what I would be doing. And maybe I'll short on my FEMAS account if we go below there. So that's pretty much Bitcoin. Let's look at some altcoins. Ethereum is basically the same as Bitcoin right now. Let's not bore you with that, but let's look at a few altcoins. These are some of my favorite ones that I like the most. So a lot of people are probably FOMOing into ADA right now. Probably not the worst idea, but I think the other ones personally are probably a little bit better since they're lower. I mean, this came up relatively healthy. We may print a red dot in the 4 hours soon, but I mean we could go up well above $2 before that happens. I mean, this is skyrocketing. Um, if you look at the daily here, yeah, I mean here you just look at that crossover kind of the same way, the money flow crossover. Where did that happen? I mean 40% gain. Like you can't go wrong with Market Cipher right here. Just that money flow, huge on the daily. And I put some money into Link as well, right yesterday actually. So I got kind of late on it, but it's been a nice return. I'm already up. Let's see, since yesterday I'm up approximately like 7% already. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. When should you take profits? I mean, you probably got a month. I don't know. You probably got some time. I mean, this could theoretically go back to all-time highs since we're seeing with Cardano. This is good. I really like Link. I think Link has been very undervalued. I think it's going to go. I mean, let's zoom out here a little bit. I think we could expect to get up to this range pretty quickly before we hit some resistance. Not financial advice, just my obviously altcoins are always riskier than Bitcoin, but from what my technical analysis in this, it's huge. Same deal with Polkadot, same exact deal. Basically, I think we're gonna go probably up to I can't see the price right there because my screen is in the way. Um, yeah, probably around the $30 range, 26 or even higher before we see a pullback. This is a very powerful signal on the daily. I like the daily. MATIC as well. This may be another hidden gem. We could go back to all-time highs. The thing is, I would wait till we get the money flow crossover before I put some money into MATIC. But yeah, I mean resistance points, $1.70. I mean, what would the next one? Let's see here. $1.58. I mean, what's this? $2. I mean, $2. That would be a good place to take some profits if you're in Matic. Or wait, we could go even higher throughout this bull run. Polkadot I already showed you, so that's basically what I'm looking at. Everything's looking pretty good for the most part. Just wait, on this one. Wait till these crossovers. I mean, if you wanted to get into Link, let's say, let's look at the 1 hour or the 4 hour actually. 4 hour, curving down on the VWAP, maybe wait till this comes back, like something like, how long would that be? If we go down here and then come back up, maybe tomorrow, yeah, that would probably be tomorrow, early tomorrow, maybe a good time if we have a little pullback going forward, and get in maybe $24, I don't 25 maybe. Obviously don't be too impatient with these, but yeah, crypto seems like it's coming back exactly as I predicted so far. And it looks like we're playing out for $100,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin. My prediction is standing how it's been. That's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Check out my links below. If it seems really complicated for you, check out Jason Casper's trading course. That's a trading course I took to learn to use Market Cipher. It really helped me a lot. That's the best course I know of. If there's any other ones, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to get Market Cipher, link down below, and a few other affiliate links. They're all things that I use and I've benefited from. I would never link you to anything I don't personally use. All right, have a good one, guys. Goodbye.